Align the bracket with hole position. Tighten the screws. Connect negative terminal of battery to negative terminal of control box, and positive terminal of battery to positive terminal of control box. Connect the white connector of ACC wire to control box. Connect light or device to control box. Connect switch panel to control box. Connect antenna to control box. All wiring is completed. Put antenna on the right A pillar of the car. Tighten the bracket screws. Make it cool, MICTUNING.